What is up, everyone? I am back. I have a new setup, but I'm trying to do my green screen thing, but it's not really working. But I realized I haven't done a reaction video in a long time, so I wanted to do this because I promised my boy that I'll do this for him. This is called Vim Koj Yog by Johnny Low, my brother. Yeah, man. Let's get back to these reaction videos, man. I haven't been doing this in a long time, so I really want to get back and bring more visuals for this reaction channel, and I'm gonna really do this. So first reaction, I saved it for this one to come back, and yeah, let's do it.
Can't believe you say something like that. Why are you so thoughtless?
Hey, I know that guy.
Great. Ignore me. Ignore me like you always do.
Ignore you? It's because you don't listen to me. You always think you're right. You never try to understand me.
I don't listen to you?
Yeah.
I always try to understand
Oh,
you.
yeah, by talking over me?
Maybe this
That's
would be
right.
different if you weren't being so damn controlling.
Damn.
Controlling?
Yeah. Why are you crying?
Why you made her cry, bro? For real. Là nó cưng cả xia.
Cô ain't just like a usually know.
Wow, chả hẳn được cá xia
Just
luôn.
don't know how to fix it. Baby, I love you.
Sợ nhảy lên. I feel like we need some time to figure if this is what we want.
So sad. So the thing is, I've heard this song before. Obviously, Johnny's my boy, so we share a lot of music together. But I haven't seen the video though. Okay.
Vichotaki yonucha kuching luka latha upita doche kumalong kutukeng kumamlong kalusya vikaya kutsasya kutsapa yanuko yatswaya nyahakuluneng ingchimo ileng yopita kutsakelu Vikaya kutsasya kutsapa yanuko yatsaya neng ingchimo ileng yopita kutsakelu.
Man, can I just say that Johnny has really found his sound for music. I've told you this a million times, Johnny, but it's amazing. And by the way, I'm sorry if my green screen is like not it right now. I'm in the process of figuring out how to do this, all right? Yo, that shot was beautiful. SJ, bro. SJ, you are amazing. Right here. Oh, Kobe! Shout out my boy Ryan though.
kebu tau ka vikaya
Aw, that's cute. Makeup. Makeup. That is great. Awesome, 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 awesome. I'm assuming that's it. Man, that's a great song already. I've already heard it a lot, but I love this song. I love the video. Shout out Ryan, man. Shout out Johnny. Shout out SJ. Yeah, I don't really have nothing to say, man. It's just tune into my boy, man. He's been doing music a lot. He's been producing a lot more songs, so check it out. We have one coming out soon too together that's also shot by SJ. So yeah, man, got a lot to work on. I'm back with the reaction videos. I'm trying to do more, you know. I've been having a setup. I just haven't really put everything together, but I've been really wanting to touch on making more content for you guys. So we gonna do this year. We're gonna do this year. And I was thinking that maybe I do like it's almost like a podcast, but you know, just videos where I come and talk about certain topics and everything. You know, I feel like I like to talk a lot, so I feel like maybe that's something good for me too. But it'll all be on my reaction channel, David Yang Reacts. Subscribe. Love you guys. See you in the next video.